So in this problem, we need to simplify the given trigonometric expression. So let us begin. So here we have 4 times BC cosine squared. So let's multiply 4 with each of the terms. We get 4BC cosine squared A over 2. Plus the second term will become 4 times CA multiplied to cosine squared B over 2. And the third term is going to become 4AB multiplied to cosine squared C over 2. Now, we can further rewrite this expression as 2 times BC multiplied to 2 times cosine squared A over 2. The reason why I'm writing it in this particular fashion will become evident in a moment. So let's complete the remaining 2 terms. So we have 2 times CA multiplied to 2 times cosine squared B over 2 plus 2 times AB multiplied to 2 times cosine squared C over 2. So can you guess why I wrote this in this particular fashion? That's because we know that whenever we have 2 times cosine squared theta over 2, so that becomes equals to 1 plus cosine theta. So that's a standard identity. This is what we're going to use here. So we have 2BC, this is the first term. So we have 2 times cosine squared A over 2. So this will get replaced with 1 plus cosine of A. Then coming to the second term, we have 2 times CA multiplied to 2 times cosine squared B over 2. So that's simply 1 plus cosine of A. And the third term is going to become 2 times AB multiplied to 1 plus, this is cosine of B, multiplied to 1 plus cosine of C. So let's further simplify it. So we have 2 times BC plus 2 times BC times cosine of A plus 2 times CA plus 2 times CA times cosine of B. And we have 2 times AB plus 2 times AB times cosine of C. Now we can use the law of cosines which is stated here. So let's first combine the first, third and the fifth term. So we have 2 times AB plus 2 times BC plus 2 times CA. Now coming to the second term, so we have 2 times BC multiplied to cosine of A. So if we consider the cosine of A value and cross multiply 2BC with it, then this is going to give us the expression B squared plus C squared minus A squared. Similarly, coming to the fourth term, 2 times C cosine B. So here we can consider cosine of B. So if we cross multiply 2C with cosine of B, so this is going to give us C squared plus A squared minus B squared. And finally 2AB cosine of C. So this is going to give us the value A squared plus B squared minus C squared. Now a couple of terms will get cancelled out. So we have B squared, negative B squared, positive C squared and negative C squared, and negative A squared and positive A squared cancelling out. And this is finally leaving us with 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA plus A squared plus B squared plus C squared. And this is nothing but the expansion of A plus B plus C whole squared. So this is the final answer. So that means the simplified value of the given trigonometric expression is going to be A plus B plus C whole squared.